think those are brakes they just used.
Seems to work.
Yeah, you seem like a happy man, Matt.